In the heart of East Africa lies a vast and ancient land, a realm where life and death unfold in dramatic spectacles as old as time itself. This is the Serengeti, where the earth stretches as far as the eye can see, an endless savanna teeming with some of the planet's most magnificent wildlife. Here, animals live by the laws of nature, in a delicate dance of survival. The Serengeti stretches over 30,000 square kilometers across Tanzania and Kenya. Its name means endless plain in the Maasai language. This seemingly boundless savanna is a home to sprawling grassland, dramatic river birds, dense woodlands, and rock outcrops known as kopjes, each habitat providing shelters, food, and water to countless creatures. These ancient rock formations, the kopjes, offer a unique sanctuary for predators like lion and leopards. From these high points, they can scan for prey while resting in the warmth of the sun. Each year, over 2 million wildebeest accompanied by zebras and gazelles embark on a perilous journey known as the Great Migration. But hopefully you guys are enjoying to see this from wherever you are. And of course, this is what is happening right now in the Serengeti, right up to the northern part of the Serengeti, just right by the Mara River. Driven by the search for fresh grazing, they travel hundreds of kilometers in a circular pattern through the Serengeti and neighboring Masai Mara, following the rain. The migration is a journey of survival, a test of endurance for even the youngest of calves, who must keep up or face the threat of predators. The most dangerous moments come when these herds reach the river. Beneath the surface, Nile crocodiles lies in wait, patient and lethal. In this freezed river crossing, only the strong and the lucky survive. For the wildebeest, it is an unavoidable risk on their relentless pursuit of life-sustaining grasslands. The Serengeti is ruled by apex predators, each playing its role in maintaining the balance. The most iconic of these hunters is the lion, king of the African savannah. Lions from the tight family unit, known as a pride, working together to hunt large prey. When the lions hunt, it is a coordinated effort, a display of strength, strategies, and teamwork. Their powerful jaws and sharp claws make them formidable hunters, feared by many. But for pure speed, the cheetah reigns supreme. Beautiful busts of astonishing speed. The cheetah is a slender body allow it to reach up to 110 kilometers per hour. Yet, despite its speed, the cheetah has to act quickly after a kill. With its slender build, it lacks the strength to defend its meal from others, strong predators. Not all hunters rely solely on their own kills. The Serengeti is also home to an array of scavengers, each playing an essential role in cleaning the ecosystems. Hyenas, often misunderstood as mere scavengers, are skillful hunters in their own right. And then there are the vultures, true specialists in scavenging. Their strong beaks and acidic stomachs allow them to consume what others cannot, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Together, hyenas and vulture ensure that nothing goes to waste, removing the remainder of the Serengeti's falling and helping to prevent the spread of diseases. At the heart of the Serengeti's delicate balance are its herbivores. Grazing animals like zebras, buffalo, elephants, and gazelle shape the landscape by trimming the vegetation and dispersing seeds, allowing new plants life to grow. Elephants, the giant of the savannah, are known as an ecosystem engineering. Their size and strength allow them to modify their surroundings, creating waterholes, clearing paths, and making resources accessible to other species. With their long necks, giraffe access food that other herbivores cannot, pruning the top of the acacia trees and shaping the Serengeti's woodland areas. Despite its resilience, the Serengeti faces mounting threats, poaching, human encroachment, and climate change all put pressure on this fragile ecosystem. Elephants and rhino, sought after for their tusks and horns, are particularly vulnerable. Conservation efforts are underway, but the battle is constant and tasks are high. In response to these challenges, dedicated conservationists, rangers, and scientists work tirelessly to protect this Serengeti. From anti-poaching patrol to ecological studies, they are the guardians of this wild paradise. Local communities such as Maasai play a crucial role in this conservation. By working alongside the conservationists, they help to preserve their land and wildlife for future generations. At the sunset on the Serengeti, life here continues its eternal rhythm. In this land of endless wild, every creature, from the smallest insect to the mightiest elephants, plays its part. The Serengeti is not just a place, it is a testament to nature's resilience, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life. For as long as we protect it, the Serengeti will remain a refuge, a timeless wild, untouched and free.